This one is for all the children.
The ASANKA device comes in a nicely packaged box with the ASANKA device on top and the charger for the device beneath. Once unpacked, connect your charger to any power outlet of your choice and ensure that the cable is connected to the ASANKA device in the right port. To ensure that the device is working, always check to see the green blinking light beneath the device. Alternatively, you can connect the device to any power bank of your choice, and that should be enough to power on the ASANKA device. Also, you can connect the ASANKA device to any laptop USB port or computer USB port, and the power should be on. Once the device is powered on, go to the Wi-Fi section of your laptop or mobile phone and select the ASANKA network. When connected, go to any browser of your choice and type myasanka.info. For first timers, select sign up to create your account and fill the details. Upon successful registration, you would see the dashboard with some analytics data related to your activity and score, some GES aligned curriculum, and some free resources gotten from the ASANKA Cloud accounts or purchased from the store section. Let's go to Basic 1. In Basic 1, you can see all the subjects that belong to that grade, as well as multiple strands under each of the subjects. Let's go to Strand 2. In Strand 2 of English under Basic 1, we have all the substrands that belong to that strand, as well as multiple formats of content available under that substrand. You can click on videos to watch them, PDFs to view them in our interactive flippable PDF format, and many more. Once you are done using the ASANKA device for studies, just go to the profile section and log out. And to use the device again, you just need to remember your username and password that were set up during the account creation process. Thank you.